This is not good. This is good.
Ah, this is good. Nalalaglag yung plum, guys. Can I pick this?
Yes.
Ayan, magpipick daw tayo ng plum, sabi ni tita. Subukan natin. Ito si tita yung may-ari. Can I bite this?
Yes.
It's good.
Okay. It's not good.
Oh, it's not good. Is
No.
how about this one? It's
Plum.
also plum as
but,
green plum.
No, not green. Yellow. In few days.
In few days.
In few days.
I saw it in a mall. In mall,
No.
they reserve it.
This one not. This
This
yes,
only.
this only, and all season plums.
Plums there is a fruits in all season.
Can you pick?
That one?
Yes.
Sure. I put this. Guys, binigyan ako ni tita ng plum. Masarap siya. Ugasan ko mamaya. Kainin. Tapos pick din ako ng apple. He allow me to pick apple, guys. We choose the ripe one. I think this one. But tita told me that it's not good in stomach. So we need to pick the better one. The ripe. Maybe later. It's not ripe. I have plum. Tastes good. See you.